Experiencing Optus voicemail problems? Let's address common issues. First, verify your voicemail is activated. In the My Optus app, search for voicemail in settings or dial 78. If calls aren't diverting to voicemail, dial 004 or check call settings in the app to ensure call forwarding is enabled. Forgotten your PIN? Reset it via the app or Optus website. For visual voicemail glitches, clear the app's cache and data or reinstall it. If problems persist, check your SIM card's integrity. Still having voicemail issues? It could be network related. Ensure you have a stable data or cellular connection. Optus's network upgrades and reliance on VoIP and 5G can sometimes introduce glitches. Watch for app updates that address voicemail stability, especially audio playback and transcription. Version 8.2.1, released September 2025, fixes bugs in these areas. As voicemail evolves, expect increased AI transcription and spam filtering with visual voicemail. These features make managing messages easier and more secure. The future points to cloud-based systems for improved reliability. These systems store and process voicemails using advanced cloud technology, reducing connection issues. If problems persist, contact Optus support and be prepared to describe your troubleshooting steps. Having detailed information helps resolve issues faster.